Hi, baby love. Hello, baby love. And I won't forget that, guys. It's that, oh, I like her.
Show me a picture of a woman and I like her. What are you talking about, hon?
Who is Stella? Messaging you the other day when I was there. Sending you emails.
Good morning, Philippines!
Hey, you give them the real food too, Tommy.
I'm not giving the kitten a turkey, huh? I'll give it the...
No, I mean their own food. No?
this was good wine. What's the crying noises?
Dimples.
I know. You want those.
Okay. Good morning, guys. What can?
What?
What kind of can? Half only. Pag maraming hunugasan sa gabi, pag umaga talaga, kailangan ibalik. Kapagyan. I'm going to put it. This is there. We have one of this that's broken. I have to throw it out. It's like this one up, open up.
Technically, it's supposed to be too late for food.
Ano, I'm just going to drink water. I have my pain. And I'm going to cook breakfast to us after I drink. You have to drink yours also, okay? Okay. Then we can eat breakfast. Ito yung sa kanya. Vinegar something. Vinegar drink in the morning. And then ako tubig. Anyway, maginaw yung ano, yung pakiramdam ko ba? Sakit din ang puson ko. Kasi meron tayo ngayon. Right now, I need to go run to the bathroom. So, let's cook some breakfast. Lutuin ko lang yung leftover na, ano, yung hindi ko na luto na ano. Why are you leaving me? Why are you leaving me? Sinuot niya. Last night, my husband wear that white thing. So, he decided, told me, Han, I have to change. Because I feel like I cannot touch anything because it get dirty. he do like this. I feel like I have to be careful. He's so funny. Oh, yan. Takot siyang magka-hugaw-hugaw. Natatawa ako sa asawa ko. Takot siyang magka-ano. Dirty daw yung puti. Kasi ano daw siya, kapag magsuot kasi siya ng puti, ano daw, mabilis maano. Parang ganyan naman tayo lahat, diba? Parang careful. Parang yung mga move natin, parang binabantayan kasi baka maano, magkadumi. Sobrang puti kasi yun. Anyway guys, so yun. Mag-ano lang tayo guys. Magluluto ng egg, bacon, and thing. Kain tayo guys. No. Egg, isang egg lang yan sa akin. At 4 na bread. Yan. Pareha kami. Naka-red. Han, we're both the same. Burgundy. Mine is burgundy. Yours is red. So, ngayon guys, agahan natin itong mga ginagawa natin. Maglalaba pa ako. And ngayon, maaga yung gawain natin kasi para marami tayong magawa sa araw-araw. Ito, let's try to put this like this. Okay? And then, I have different choices that I can think that which is good over here. So, I'm going to peel it. You guys ba, especially you, Misty. What are you doing, mates? Mitty? What my Mitty ka doing, ha? Why are Mitty doing? Where is your sister? Where's Roxy, honey? Why Roxy's always outside? Which one you think is? You don't care.
I don't know, I think one of the two ends.
The two ends?
Right, like a dark. The other one's greenish. One side or the other.
Roxy! I'm struggling to put that in there, you know?
You could walk. Don't take me much to take it out. I just whack it with my towel good.
Crazy. I have pain, Rox. Don't bother me.
Rox, you gonna pick the color you like?
Okay, Roxy, you pick. Roxy, come.
There's too much stress. Too much pressure for me.
Come here, pick. Which one is this? Come here. Come here, look. Which one? You pick. You picked the sapphire? You did? Pick one. Which one is this? Which one? Okay, pick. Come here. Look, look, look. Pick one. Now I'm confused.
So we like my other picks, well, I'll give you a different pick. Clearly, you don't care which one I pick, and you ignore it, you want me to pick again.
These two blue have different kind of different shade. Okay, I picked the sapphire. Fun.
Surprised you didn't do like the creative one where you put suede. Put suede on it.
What is suede? The side have a stripe white, blue, and then white, and then blue. So blue, and then in the center, I want to put like the two squares, big squares, and then squares inside of the other square, and then under two like square and square. But I have to use frog tape, a small frog tape. Ang aga-aga, guys. Gagawa lang si... What is the temperature outside, Han? 50? What is that? So, gawa lang siya ng salad niya. Ako naman, I'm going to get the pork.
No, you don't have to do that. I'm making a salad good.
Yeah, I have to boil it.
Again, no.
I'm just going to boil it. And yun. Yun lang, guys. I am done editing with my video upstairs. And yung isa gustong umalis. Gusto niyang mag-ano. Saan daw. Baka daw may lugar dito. Mapasyal-pasyalan namin. Parang gusto niyang pumasyal. Kasi sabi ko, wala man akong alam dito. Pareha tayo. Bago lang tayo dito. Wala kaming mga alam dito, guys. So, where you think we can get wood for my garden?
Well, people have it. I'm telling you, you need that kind of wood. You don't want to get it. Oh, I don't want it.
That's not the kind of...
You think you put regular 2x4s, that's not legal.
It's not legal. How this is... Why you said it's not legal? This is my gardening.
It's not legal. It's got to stand up to the weather. And the ground is all wet and it'll rot the wood. You need to get pressure treated like railroad tie, like 4x4.
This America, guys.
America.
Everything is need to be... We garden in our thing. We just kind of like garden. We just like we plant and that's it. Then we have to put the wood, treated wood.
Yes. Because you don't want the wood to rot into the garden either.
Ito yung pork, guys. Nalulutuin. My baby need to be watch out what he's eating. Boil ko lang siya dito. Ilagay ko siya dito, lagyan ng tubig, i-boil ng mga slow boil lang siya and for a long time para naman may sheriff, di ba? May sheriff. Hi, baby love. Hello, baby love. Huh? It's really Sharpie? Excuse me. Sharpie knifey. You have to get rid of your because I have meat here and you don't put meat in raw food. Like food that you don't cook and eat it and then close to the meat. Not good.
Yeah, put one of these things in here.
What onion, baby?
Take one if you want it.
And don't worry about me. You need to do it more over there. You are the one always like one onion in your salad. Ang laki niya, guys.
Oh, man, you just stare at me.
Ang ano nito, guys, masarap kasi siya ito. I-boil. And then, i-rotisserie. Pagkatapos mo siyang ma-rotisserie, pagkatapos niyan, and then, yung mga leftover, ang sarap niyan, ilitsun paksiw. Lechon pak siw siw siw. Lechon pak siw siw siw. Yung mga Pilipino ba, pag madumi yung kamay, ang pang-open at saka pang ano, paa. Gamitin yung paa, pang-open ng door. Pang-open sa basurahan. Oh, I'm talking about, and if we have our both hand are doing something or dirty, we use our foot to open and close and pick up something. That's how we are. We grew up like that because in the Philippines, our parents teach us to do that like a monkey. Like a monkey. So, yan. Tubig. Hindi ko na siya lagyan ng lemongrass. Kasi yung lemongrass is ilagay ko na lang siya sa meat. Kapag mag-rotisserie na siya, yun lang yun. Balancing. Careful with my camera. You know that you are very clumsy.
So by flash.
Clumsy is flashy.
I'm the flashy.
Lagyan natin ng 2 bilis. Yan. Pamintang malaki. Grabe kasi ako makapag-ano ng paminta. Parang wala nang katapusan ba. Busy yan, guys. Siya yung tagalinis ng mga ano ko. Abugot doon. Buti na lang asawa ko no, mahilig maglinis-linis. Hindi man maglinis-linis, yung mahilig maghugas ng plato ba. Are you a dishwasher?
Okay, where's my little man?
What happened with your little boy? Guys, almost 60 degrees sa labas, guys. Ang ganda. Han, outside is a nice day, Han. Almost 60 degree.
I'm trying to tell you, hon.
Hala, ang ganda. Sus, ginawa ko. Let me research. Let me research where we can go. Pabayaan lang natin siya dyan. Drink your water, honey. Han? You're not drinking anything. Okay, meron tayong upuan. Pero hindi talaga ito upuan. Step stools. Ito. I-transfer ko lang tong mga grass ng pusa. Dito sa pot ni Bianan. Bumili kami kahapon ng protects against over and underwatering potting mix. What we're gonna do is, this is the grass. You kind of just like spread it. Ito, itapon natin ito. Lagyan natin ng potting mix. Potting. Ito. Dito natin ilagay yung kay Habsibag. So, pakita ko sa inyo ha. So, dito, nasa gilid siya, so may space pa dito. Ang gagawin ko na lang is lagyan ko siya ng seeds para pag mamatay ito, may bagong tubo. So, yun. Tubigan lang natin siya, yun. So, si Tommy, nagdesisyon ding mag-plant siya ng kanya para sa habsiboy niya. Don't do it. Do it with the hand.
Up to the hand.
So, yung sa pusa, guys, this is what it looks like. Look ito. And yung dito is meron silang, ano pala ito, guys? Para siyang rice. Yung grass sa labas, this is what you see, the grass outside in the lawn. This is the kind.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
And
That's
the
wheatgrass.
yeah, it looks like rice to me. The seeds,
It's wheat.
yeah, it looks rice. He is trying to show me how his knife works.
I'm showing you how it works. See? Like,
Okay.
so it stops you from the knife from coming out further, so it keeps like an even slice.
Only in your head. Now, what are you imagining now, honey? Now I'm worried about that imagination. I don't forget one day I show him a girl. He said, "Oh, I like her." A picture of a woman. Oh, and I won't forget that, guys. He said, "Oh, I like
Show me a
her."
picture of a woman and I like her. What are you talking about, hon?
I don't want to open everything. Why have a conversation that?
Guys, she's making the crab up again.
No, I don't.
Sound like it.
Somebody asked, who is Stella? Because we mentioned about Stella keep messaging you. Who is that woman, honey? Who is Stella? Messaging you the other day when I was there. Sending you emails, sending you this.
Oh, that was a business, hon. Seriously?
That's not your girlfriend, hon.
No, hon.
Honey, be honest to me.
Read the email. Tell me if it sounds like personal stuff.
Hubuan ta karon, no?
Hon. Seriously? Knock it off.
Honey, stop eating that.
I know I'm not supposed
Stop
to eat.
it.
We'll find out what to do.
You're not listening.
I'm having a little bit.
A little bit.
I don't even buy cheese no more, so yes.
God, like you're like looking for more problems.
So rock about